Hey everyone, this is Stephanie at Hightower Stitching. Today I've got a short reveal video that went back to number 269, the quilt pattern that we were looking at there. And I did make the two quilts. And it was so funny, I've been moving so fast, sort of, and getting these projects going. And when somebody said, "Whoa, wonder what your second one's going to look like," and I thought, uh-oh, I don't even know if I did my first one, the first reveal. And so today I've gotten by the windows. It is raining outside, and this is seems to be a perfect place for this. And because I've got this turned just right and I've got some great light from this window, this is the back of the first one that I was working on. So I thought I'd show you that right away. But I'll tell you up front, neither one of the quilts is December themed or red, white, and blue. I got sidetracked. This is the first quilt, and it ended up being 40.5 by 38 inches. And I did have a good time doing it because of the variety. And then the variety of quilting that I got to do. And I'll move up on this one. And you can see the quilting, and I could just start on one end and go all the way to the other end and then come back. And then the next one, that blank spot that was bothering me, I just divided it into 2-inch blocks and repeated that same pattern from the first part. And then there are the little strips. And there are the X's. And then it repeats itself. And when we were doing this one, I had it set up, but I didn't have the sashing in it. And you can see the black sashing really worked good. And it's actually a little pattern in it as you get closer to it. And this one was designed to be a wall hanging or to be a throw quilt. And here it is. It's laid out on the floor. So that was number 1. And this is the second one that you can see. It's not a December quilt, nor is it red, white, and blue. It's sort of like when I got in the room and I looked at the material, I said, "Oh my gosh, I like these materials." And I said, "I'm doing this again." And then I come up with my strips, and I'll look at my quilting and see what I want to do differently. And you can see it's different. It's lighter and make a good accent in a room, on a wall, or even hanging on a chair. Did the same things, except when I got to the blocks in between, I got ready to do some flowers, so I put flowers in that open square rectangle that I had. And then in the boxes, I did a box in a box in a box. And then the back, this one was different. I had a great piece of orange fabric, and that's what I used for the sashing in the front. And when I said, that feels like a big piece of fabric. And I laid it on there, and I wanted you to know it was 31 inches straight down and would go completely down. But I was short on the sides, and I said, I'm not going to let that get me. So I said, what's wrong with all those little boxes that I had up there? I can just make them a little bit longer and then go in there and sew in there as I'm going along. And honest to gosh, this is the first time I've ever messed with putting a made together on the back where it wasn't just the solid backing. And it was fun to see how it turned out. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect, but it really does what I wanted it to do because I've got this beautiful piece of orange in the back. And you can really see the quilting showing through on there too. I think that's it. I think there's not much more, but thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this quilt, look back to 269, and I'll tell you, you have to be careful, and you've got to turn everything right. Even in that little fourth row with the little boxes that are made out of 3 colors, I actually, on both quilts, I actually turned one of them on each one sideways instead of straight up and down, diagonally like that. And I said, nobody will ever notice that. And I said, well, this time I will notice it. And so it didn't take long just to get them out, because you remember those are squares, and I could get it and finish it. But thank you for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this and haven't yet, please subscribe and hit like and leave comments. Thank you for watching.